Seems like my solder gun might need a little bit of an inspection. I just felt something flop around. Let her heat up. There it goes. Alright, that one. And again, heated up the, I'm going to put that down somewhere where it's not going to melt my garbage can. Alright, so that one, what I'm going to do here is cut off a piece of this heat shrink because it kind of contracted on me because these wires are so short. You just make sure you don't pop the wire, nip the wire underneath it. I got plenty of cover here. Alright, let's see if I got it. Nope. A little bit of nibble right there. Missed it. Still missed it. Alright, and then snip it off. Oop, there that goes. Slide it up. Take a lighter. Put a little heat to it. Get her to shrink down. Seal up that wire. Alright. Alright. There's two down. This one here. Same thing happens, so we're going to have to snip the wire, or snip the heat shrink a little bit. And then just snip it up to where you can rip it off. There it goes. And this one's a little bit short, but still got good overhang. And this is going inside of a barn probably, so we're not going to have any issues with it. And it's inside of a case, so this is just, I could have used butt connectors, but yeah, it didn't. So hold on a second, we get a couple. Now what I'm going to do here, I don't like to have wires out floating around like this, so let's kind of group these guys up. There's that. So can I do this anywhere else? This one goes there. So these are the two switches. I'm going to make sure I got enough room there. Let's go ahead and zip tie these babies to the this metal frame as well, just so they don't move. There we go. Let's get it through. Nothing Nothing fancy, just hold them in one spot. Okay. Not putting not a lot of tension on it, just so they don't flip around. All right, so let's see what we got here. This might worth. May all fall apart, and I'm gonna have to turn off the video and. Oops. These little insulators. Alright, there's that. That one through. Alright. Oops. Alright. There's that. On the other side. There's that. One that came through, so let's capture that dude before it slips back into the case. Here's the other stopper. Let's see if this one will play nice with us here while we're on camera. Well, I don't know if I can get my fingers up in there far enough to really make a difference. Looks like everything's working except that that lock washer is not playing nice. Alright, do a little manipulation there. Turn that down a little bit. Not all the way yet, because now if that comes all the way out like it wants to, think about that for a sec. I don't want this wire to come out to where we don't have any protection on them. Oh, this thing is moving back and forth. Think about that for a moment. I'm sure there's supposed to be some protective grommet in there, but alright, that does look good. Alright, there's a screw that slides into the back of this, holds the motor cover in. Hopefully, I'm still in focus. Alright, I'll zoom out a little bit just in case we get some good sparks. This will be an exciting video to share with people. It may not be a how-to, it might be to how not to. But Gotta have fun. That's my belief. Putting the little pull strings back on. My assumption is if this thing sparks pretty good, the little pull strings would be the least of my problems. Alright, so I believe I have to do something with this. Not sure what yet. Might do some type of adhesive. Not really sure. So let's plug it in, see if it first catches on fire. Alright, didn't burst into flames. Alright, well, let's give it a second. Maybe it'll burst into flames here in a second. Alright, well, I'll take this as a successful video. No fire, though that is fun sometimes in its own, but seems to work. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.